Looking for a simple and convenient way to make some extra cash? Well, look no further because we have an incredible opportunity for you. Imagine earning $15 every 5 minutes just by typing. It sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But we assure you, it's absolutely real. In today's fast-paced digital world, where remote work and freelancing have become increasingly popular, the demand for quick and efficient typists is higher than ever before. Companies are constantly seeking individuals who possess exceptional typing skills to assist with data entry, transcription, and various other tasks. Whether you're a student looking to earn some pocket money, a stay-at-home parent seeking flexible work, or simply someone who wants to make the most of their typing abilities, this opportunity is perfect for you. The best part? You can do it from the comfort of your own home, on your own schedule. Now, you might be wondering, how can I start earning $15 every 5 minutes? The answer is simple. By joining reputable online platforms that connect typists with clients in need of their services. These platforms offer a wide range of typing jobs, from simple data entry tasks to more specialized assignments like transcribing audio files documents into digital formats. What's cool about this is that you're going to get paid more if you translate words into different languages, and I'll show you how that is. But first, what's good about this is that you can play the audio, and Google will start typing whatever I say. You might think I'm joking, but let's start by talking about Google Translate, which is the tool you will need to automate all of the work. I'm going to show you exactly the 3 platforms that will pay you to use Google Translate. Now let's go ahead and head over to the first website, which is called Scribie.com. Simply for inputting what you hear in English and then translating it into Spanish. This is a great website to start with because, as you can see, it is a freelance transcription site where you can work at your convenience and earn $5 to $20 per audio file. This website is not the highest paying website, but I will show you another that pays the most later, so be sure to stick around because I will be ranking this from the lowest paying website to the highest paying one in continuation. They will provide you with an automated transcript, and all you have to do is edit with the provided audio. If you use Google Translate, it will type and correct the transcription for you. You can then submit the updated transcription. If you do it in a different language, you can earn even more. Some users on this platform are making around $1,600 per month, which is respectable for just letting an audio play in Google Translate. Now GoTranscript.com is the following website on our list. You can work as much or as little as you want whenever you want on the site, and you can freely choose which projects to work on. The best part is that they also allow you to work with different languages, which will get you paid even more when it comes to payment. You receive weekly payouts every Friday. They've been around for a while. They'll pay you 60 cents per audio minute, and the top monthly earning on this particular site is around $1,200, which is pretty good. The following website is TranscribeMe.com, where you could earn $60 to $70 per audio hour if you're on their special teams. Special teams obviously know many languages, but that's okay. Google Translate will do the work for you. They even offer advancement opportunities for their special teams, including medical and specialty styles, which pay even higher rates. All you have to do is click on Start Freelancing, fill out a short application, and then wait for them to approve your application. The previous week you'll find hundreds of transcription jobs to choose from on the site. Now all you have to do is click on Sign Up Now to be a Rev Transcriptionist and set up your account. They are paying $1.10 per audio minute, but if you go down here and you know a foreign language, they will pay you $3 per audio minute, so that's $15 every 5 minutes. This is a well-known website. It has been highlighted in Forbes and on the Penny Hoarder. According to the Huffington Post and Business Insider, the finest aspect of transcription jobs with this site is the flexibility. If you want to earn more money, you can work as much or as little as you like from wherever you please. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey of money making. We hope this vid money making a fire within you, inspiring you to take bold steps towards financial freedom. Your power to shape your financial future lies in your hands. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel or follow us for more valuable tips, updates, and exclusive opportunities to maximize your earning potential. It's time to turn your typing skills into cash.